Okay, so let's talk about the problem and the solution. So the job search and sending emails to people regarding job. So those who are searching the job, it's a very tedious job. So we have to send mails to many people, and most of the time what happens is you go to the mail, copy the mail, go to the mailbox, and then write the mail and then attachment. That's a very I think time consuming process. So this is that service, DMS mail service. It's a public repository. Okay, I have made it public. Actually, I developed it as a private repository as OTS mail service, and then later I made it public. Okay, by high masking all my credentials and some sensitive information. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to this, okay, code, get clone, you can clone it out. After cloning it out, you, if you have any IDE installed, you can import the project. Okay, you will have this project like this. Okay, once you have this project, you need to run this, so you have to run this. Okay, so run as, go to run configuration, and it needs some environment variable. So actually you can supply these environment variables here in the application dot properties. You can supply this, okay, like username, okay, email username, whatever you have, email password. If you don't know how to get the password of user email, okay, that is app password, so you need to follow this. Okay, here is the link, you go there, read there, and you will be able to generate the password for your email. Okay, email host, okay, email from whatever your email ID is, port number, okay, mostly is if it is SMTP 587, I guess. Okay, so this is subject line like we have in our Gmail. Okay, subject line, this is attachment. Okay, attachment name is the file name. I am attaching my resume. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so this is what it is. Now coming to here, so this is some, we have config control, all those things. If you are a developer, you need to know. Otherwise, basic thing, this is my resume. Okay, you can place your resume here, and this is email template. Okay, so I'm reading the email template from here. So this is how it looks like. I want to send to recruiter these things, this all the detail you can have your own. Okay, whatever it is. So email template is necessary. Application dot properties, you need to set these properties. Okay, and after that you need to place your resume here. Okay, just come here, src main resources, place your resume here. You can also build it like you can give it file path. I have used class path, that's why I'm supplying here. Okay, so it just a it is something which I built for myself. So I have tested it out. I have sent I think 100 plus mails in mode in less than 3 minutes. Okay, I'll show you it out. Okay, so for example, everything is set, and okay, now you may ask where I have set my values. For example, here I have not set my password, username. Okay, because this is public repository, so I cannot set it here. Okay, but I have while running, okay, when I run this, okay, run as, I have supplied it as a environment variable. So if you know about Docker and Docker Compose, you can make it way better. Okay, otherwise if you are running in your local host, just come here and replace these properties. Okay, so we have run configuration, and here is the environment tab. I can't open that because I have my credentials over here. Okay, so I have set it there, so that's what. Okay, so yeah, now I'm running it as run as Spring Boot application. Okay, okay, this is my Spring Boot application. These are the logs. Okay, so let me word wrap it. Okay, so yeah, so it is running on port 7880. Okay, this is running on port 7880. So see there, this is the URL. Okay, 7880. Once you are running this, so okay, now see, this is the body. So I have a this is a JSON body, recipients. Okay, inside recipients I have email and salutation. Salutation means whatever, like hi, hello, whatever I was facing, like every time I had to mention people's name. So that is the thing. So what I can do is, even if you want, you can remove salutation. It will take by default team. Okay, hello team, okay, this is me and that. Okay, I have applied for this and all. Okay, and if you are giving salutation, it will take salutation from here. Okay, like hello this and that. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, I'm hitting it, email sending initiated. Okay, so that means email has been sent. I think I have used many, I think 10 to 12 recipients are there. Okay, let's go and see at the logs. Okay, okay, this is the log. Let me do the word wrap. Okay, so it is much visible. So it is going on and it is sending the mails. Okay, it is sending the mail. So this is an asynchronous call. You can see 756231. Okay, it's a asynchronous call. It is running parallelly at the background. Okay, So if you know about synchronous, the way then it is better. Okay, now let us see whether we are having things or not. Now you can see here. So I send a mail from ankit.srps. Okay, that is my email ID from where I send it to Ankit CKT. Now you can see here I have sent 36 mails. Okay, because those are repeated. Okay, so hi Ram, I have put the that Ram. Okay, salutation, hi Ram. Okay, this. Okay, this is my content which I have written in the text file. So I have this text file, right? Email template.html. So this is the same text file. So I have edited for my own sake. It is the way I wanted to. Okay, this attachment is nothing. Sorry, this attachment is nothing but this attachment. Where is this? Ankit resume Java src main resources. Okay, okay. So this is something which I have done. So I can send 100 people mail in less than means 3 minutes. Okay, so this is how it is so effective. So this is what I want to say. Thank you.